Got her stripped down pretty good. Start working on the harness here. Originally I was gonna leave everything on it, drop the motor off the frame, but powder coat guy was wanting it, so I stripped off the wheels, cages, bars, subframe, got all the powder coat, and now I'm just gonna loosen up the frame and just rip it off the motor and leave the motor there. If you're here watching this video trying to, figure out how to do your frame swap, definitely not the guy to listen to, but organization is key. Pretty much everything, every connector I've labeled just to make sure. It goes back a lot smoother. I know which way direction it's going. And just bag every bolt. Everything organized. Whew, we got it. With a little persuasion, she is split. There it is. 18 plus bigger motor duty. There's our parts cabinet. Force fits over here, a little bit over there. Sending off the forks, getting rebuilt. It's gonna be nice.
What you doing?
Your dog.